12th standard business maths for second chapter interval calculus exercise number 2.6 seventh sum. Integrate x power 8 into 1 plus x power 9 whole power 5. We should take let I equal to integral x power 8 into 1 plus x power 9 whole power 5 into dx. We should take let put t equal to x 1 plus x power 9, 1 plus x power 9 we should take. Differentiate with respect to x, t differentiate then dt equal to 1 is a constant, differentiate then 0, leave it. X power 9 differentiate then 9x power 8 into dx. 9 we should take left, dt divided by 9 equal to x power 8 into dx. Now substitute I equal to integral x power 8 into dx is dt divided by 9. 1 plus x power 9 is what? T whole power 5, then t power 5. T power 5 dt divided by 9. Now constant take out, 1 by 9 integral t power 5 into dt. We know that the integral formula, integral x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c is the formula. So we should t power 5 into dt is given 1 divided by 9 into t power 5 plus 1 is what? 6 divided by 5 plus 1 is 6 plus c equal to t power 6 divided by 9 6 are 54 plus c. Now we should substitute t value. T we know that 1 plus x power 9. Substitute here I equal to t value 1 plus x power 9 whole power 6 divided by 54 plus c. That's all. 8th sum, x power e minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 divided by x power e plus e power x. Solution, let I equal to integral x power e minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 divided by x power e plus e power x into dx. Let put t is equal to x power e plus e power x we should take. X power e plus e power x. So differentiate with respect to x, t differentiate then dt equal to x power n formula. We know that integral x power differentiate then it's a multiple e into x power e minus 1. That is x power n, then n x power n minus 1 formula. E into e x power e minus 1. N is e. Next plus e power x differentiate then e power x, we know that. So e power x. Now we should take e is the common. E common, then x power e minus 1 plus e power x. E is a take out, then e power x minus 1. We should e take inside, then it's you should add plus 1, then plus 1 minus 1 cancel, e power x. So this is e here into dx. X differentiate then dx. Here also dx. Now we should take e is the left hand side. Dt divided by e equal to x power e minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 into dx. Now substitute in the first I I equal to integral x power e minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 into dx is dt divided by e. So we know that this is a t. So 1 divided by t. Next this value is what? Dt divided by e. Dt divided by e. Here e is a constant term. Take out 1 divided by e integral 1 by t into dt. We know that integral 1 by t dt is we know that the formula integral 1 by x dx is equal to log of mod x plus c is the formula. So we should substitute here, integrate then I equal to 1 by e integral 1 by t dt is log of modulus t plus c. Log of modulus t plus c. Now substitute the t value, we know that x power e plus e power x. That is equal to 1 by e log of t value is mod t value is x power e plus e power x. X power e plus e power x plus c. We should write its result of I equal to log mod of x power e plus e power x divided by e plus c. That's all.